Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today we are making Irish potato candy. Thank you for joining me. If you are new to my channel, thank you, and I'm very grateful for your support. So let's get right into what we need to do. First, we need to cream together the half a stick of Kerrygold butter. I get this at Costco. 4 ounces of cream cheese, organic cream cheese, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So let's do that. But first we have to take the bowl out so it will be easier to and now we put it down and mix it. And this is a great dessert in the morning or anytime, and because it's St. Patrick's Day and it's coming up, it's on Wednesday, and I like the bagpipes, and it's just going to be a great dessert that I'm going to make for my family. So it looks like it's done creaming. Now, we put in 2 cups of confectioner sugar, cups of coconut. And now we mix it all together. We put it on a stir for the couple. It goes around, and we put it a little higher. And a couple more stirs, and then it's good to go. Good. So now I need to get all this off the. Okay. Good. And now take the bowl off. Put this over here. Stack these up. And now we take this and we roll them up into like bite-sized balls like this. And then we roll them in the cinnamon. And this is so, it's not healthy, but it's a great dessert for St. Patrick's Day. And I have some Irish music playing. So this is what they look like. 1 second. I already have a bunch ready. And this is what they look like. And you have to put them in the fridge until they're firm. I don't even think you guys need to. You guys are gonna chow these down, like no problem. I'm gonna try one. That is so good, so delicious. So I hope you guys have a great day. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos, and see you next time. Bye.